Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be the part 2 of my collective haul. So what happened is like the part 1 of the video become too long, and so I have decided to make 3 parts instead of 2 because I am not a big fan of big videos, long videos personally. So this part will include Purple, Myntra and Juicy Chemistry. So let's get started. Let's start with Juicy Chemistry first. I got two things from Juicy Chemistry. The Marula Argan Lavender Organic Hair Oil for hair loss control and deep conditioning, and the Rosehip and Blood Orange Organic Lip Balm for pigmented lips. So I started using both of them, as the shelf life of these are 6 months only because they are very organic. So let's start with the first one. The oil is like very lightweight and claims to control hair fall, but I didn't observe any improvement in my hair in terms of hair fall. I have used it only 2-3 times, so I want to give it more time before making any judgment. Actually, it comes in a glass bottle which is really cool, and it smells like lavender, not completely like lavender plus castor oil. So that's how it smells. I will probably do a review of it if in case it reduce my hair fall. Definitely I'll review it for you, but it moisturized my hair really well. The Blood Orange and Rosehip organic lip balm is really good. I've seen people reviewing this in YouTube and like raving about it, so thought of giving it a try and I really like it. It's light, but it's highly moisturizing, smells amazing, smells like orange candies. This is how it looks from inside. When I applied it, I was like, it's so thin, how can it moisturize my lips, because I like very thick and moisturizing lip balms, but to my surprise it is really moisturizing. And the packaging is pretty cool as well because it's again a glass jar, but the only downside is like you cannot keep it for more than 6 months. That's good because it doesn't have any preservative. Using it like every time, whenever, like at night and morning. So yeah, I'm liking it. It didn't do anything for my pigmented lips as of now, but let's see how it goes. So the next two things are from Myntra. Oh my god, it took forever to reach me. It literally took 20-25 days to arrive. The first thing is the Plum clear spotlight gel. Actually, I was getting a lot of acne during lockdown period due to monsoon, food habits, stress and all, and I wanted a spot corrector, and I thought of getting this one. This one is really good. I have been using it for almost 15-20 days now. This is how it looks, and I really like it. It literally dried up my pimples in 2 to 3 days. I use this as a spot treatment at night, and in the by morning it will be like almost dried up. Yeah, it's really good. I'm planning to do a skincare routine video explaining the things I use to control acne. We'll be posting it soon, so stay tuned for that as well. And the next thing is Face Shop Yevadam Revitalizing Travel Kit. I wanted to get this for a really long time, and now when I checked this kit, it was out of stock everywhere. So when I found it in Myntra, I ordered it immediately and haven't used it yet. It comes with toner, emulsion, serum and a cream. It's a very tiny quantity. Even if I like, the sad part is, even if I like any one of this product, I cannot purchase the full size product of it because that's hell expensive. So yeah, that's one downside of it, but I'm excited to try these. But currently I'm having a proper skincare routine with all anti-acne products, so I'm planning to stick to it till I'll get clear skin, which I hope will be pretty soon. And after that I'll give this a next try. Few things are from Purple. It's from the brand Good Vibes. So if you will open the YouTube, you can see a lot of people like reviewing about Good Vibes products, like raving about them. So I just wanted to know what is this hype all about. So I got very few products from Good Vibes. And the first thing was like my conditioner got over, so thought of giving their conditioner a try. So I got the Amla Shikakai conditioner from Good Vibes. So 120 ml is for I think 175 rupees. You will always get it on discount, and it smells like Dabur Amla oil if you have ever sniffed it. So yeah, that's that. And I have got toners from them. It's neem and tulsi, cucumber and tea trees toners, and their toners are really good. I have used the neem and tulsi one quite a lot. If you can see, I have used it like this much or something, and even tea tree one I have been halfway through, but the cucumber one I haven't used much, but I really like their toners. So when I bought these stuff, I got this one as a free gift. This is the tea tree and papaya oil control serum. It's a 10 ml bottle. It retails for 225 rupees. Oh yeah, the toners are 120 ml each and is for 175, but you will definitely get it on offer. I got this oil control serum. I have used it quite some times, like not too much since I have oily skin. It has a little oily consistency, but you can use 1 or 2 drops and it will be more than enough for your oily skin. I really liked it. It is having a tea tree smell, but not the straight up tea tree smell, but because as they say, it may have papaya in it, so that's why, but it didn't break me out. Probably I'll check out more products from Good Vibes, because whatever I have got, I like them. So I wanted to, and now I want to try their powders, like the kaolin powders, sandalwood powder, and they have a lot of powders for DIY. So I want to try their powders out. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's all I have got from Myntra, Juicy Chemistry and Purple. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Let's catch up with the part 3, which is going to be a Nykaa haul. So yeah, bye bye.